Welcome. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to set up and take down the patrol tent 4x4. Let's get started. The patrol tent comes in 2 carry bags, one with the inner tent, outer tent, and ground sheet, one with pegs and poles. Unroll the ground sheet. This will form the base of your tent. Place the folded inner tent on top of the ground sheet, with the outside facing up. Assemble the 3 center poles and place them on top of the inner tent. The 2 outer poles each have 1 loop, while the middle one has 2. Remove the caps from the poles and set them aside. Insert the center poles from inside the inner tent, then reattach the caps on top of the poles. Slide the long horizontal ridge pole through all loops at the top of the inner tent. Insert the pins on the center poles into the ends of the horizontal ridge pole. Take the pegs and secure the elastic loops of the inner tent to the ground, only on the side where the center poles are lying. Unroll the outer tent and lay it folded on top of the inner tent. Make sure the bottom of the outer fabric is facing inward. Attach the outer tent to the pole caps. Do this 3 times in total. Pull the other long side of the inner tent across the ground sheet to the opposite side. Peg down the elastic loops on the other long side of the inner tent. The first side is already secured. Fully unfold the outer tent and drape it over the inner tent. With 3 people, each take 1 center pole and slowly lift the tent until the poles are standing upright. Zip both doors closed. Start tensioning the inner tent by pegging down the 4 corners. Then tension the remaining guy lines of the inner tent simultaneously on both long sides. Now attach the guy lines of the outer tent to the same pegs used for the inner tent. again, simultaneously on both sides. Tension the guy lines at the front and rear doors. Fold the ground sheet neatly over the mud flap. Roll up the double doors and secure them with the loops. The doors are equipped with mesh windows. Make sure the inner and outer tents do not touch. This prevents leaks or water from seeping in during rain. The tent is fully set up. Time to pack up. Loosen all guy lines, both from the inner and outer tents. Unzip the doors. With 3 people inside the patrol tent, each grab a center pole and gently pull it down diagonally. Separate the outer tent from the inner tent and fold them both neatly. Remove all pegs from the inner tent's elastic loops. Disassemble the ridge pole. Remove the center poles from the inner tent. Fold up the outer tent and set it aside. Fold up the ground sheet and store it neatly. Now you can pack all parts back into their respective carry bags. Your patrol tent is packed and ready for your next adventure. Thanks for watching, and happy camping!